Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn intermediate 1B transformation of axis. Axis number 1, question number 4. When the origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2 by the translation of axis, find the transformed equation of the following. So question number 1 already I did. Now I am doing question number 2 in this video. 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. So here he was saying that origin is shifted to minus 1 comma 2 by translation of axis. So what is the meaning of translation of axis? Changing the position of origin from one point to another point without changing the direction of x and y axis is called translation of axis. So here origin is shifted to a new point minus 1 comma 2. Find the transformed equation of the following. So this is the original equation. We have to find the transformed equation. So given f of x comma y, that is equal to 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y, that is equal to 0. So now here origin is shifted to a point, origin is shifted, that is O dash h comma k, that is equal to minus 1 comma 2. So this is given. So now what we have to find? We have to find the transformed equation. So we have to find the new equation. So now see here, first you find x value and y value. We know that x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. So we know this one. So now x is equal to x dash plus h value is nothing but minus 1. So here y is equal to y dash plus k value is nothing but 2. So that is x is equal to x dash plus into minus is minus, you will get minus 1 here. Y is equal to y dash plus 2. So now we have to substitute the value of x and y in the equation. F of x comma y is equal to 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 0. So here f of x comma y is equal to 2 times x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4y, that is equal to 0. So this is already given in the question. So now substitute x value here, that is f of x is nothing but x dash minus 1, y is nothing but y dash plus 2. So substitute here 2 times x square. Now the value of x is nothing but x dash minus 1 whole square. Here y value is nothing but y dash plus 2 minus 4 times x dash minus 1 plus 4 times y, that is y dash plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we will see the next step. 2 times x dash minus 1 whole square, that is nothing but a minus b whole square. So first we will write a square minus 2ab and b square value is nothing but 1 square. So here y square is there, y dash plus 2 whole square, that is nothing but a plus b whole square. So a square y dash square plus 2ab, 2 into a is nothing but y dash into b is nothing but 2 plus b square here. Next, minus into plus is minus, 4 into x dash is nothing but 4 times x dash, minus into minus is plus, 4 into 1 is nothing but 4 here, plus 4 into y dash is nothing but 4y dash plus 4 to the 8, that is equal to 0. So what is the next step? So here 2 times x dash square here minus 2 times x dash plus 1. So here you see y dash square 4 times y dash, 2 square is nothing but 4 minus 4 times x dash plus 4 times y dash plus 8 is equal to 0. See the next step, 2 into x dash square, 2 times x dash square plus into minus is minus, 2 to the 4, 4 into x dash, 4x dash plus 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So here y dash square, here 4 times y dash plus 4 minus 4 times x dash plus 4 times y dash plus 8 is equal to 0. Now you see the simplification. So here only x dash square, only 1 is there, directly we can write 2 times x dash square. So here see here minus 4x dash, here also minus 4x dash. So adding both, what you will get? Minus 8 times x dash. See the constant term, 2 here, 4 here, 4 here, 8 here. So all are positive. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. Y dash square only 1 is there, write that as it is. Next, y dash, 4 times y dash here, here 4 times y dash, total together 8 times y dash. So that is equal to 0. So write in the standard form, 2 times x dash square plus 1 time y dash square minus 8 times x dash plus 8 times y dash plus constant term 18, that is equal to 0. So now remove all the dashes. 2x square, 1 time y square minus 8x, 8y plus 18 is equal to 0. This is a required transformed equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.